Do you want to have a safe and exciting webmail experience? Are you wondering if your email has more rich features to make your conversation better? Well, look no further. ONPASSIVE has got you covered by launching its latest webmail platform, OMail. It has many advanced features, including folder lock, speech-to-text, and video emails, that can help keep your emails safer, attractive, and richer. OMail's folder lock helps your private emails to remain confidential. That's right, the emails in these folders are not accessible to anyone. The best part of this feature is that you can lock your folder with a passcode. It also helps you segregate your important mail from the rest. And you can create as many folders as you want. You can create unique passcodes for your folders to avoid the theft of confidential files and prevent yourself from cybercrimes. Other cool features of OMail are the speech-to-text and text-to-speech tools. Yes, you can simply talk, and the AI will write all your emails. So convenient. Not only that, you can even listen to your emails on the go with the text-to-speech tool. There are 4 voice options to choose from. Select your preferred one, and enjoy hands-free emailing anywhere, anytime. Isn't it fantastic? If you still think this is not cool enough, then listen to this. OMail has an exceptional video mail feature. You can send personalized video emails to your contacts on special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or New Year. Don't limit your excitement with the emojis anymore. Send a video email to have a more personalized conversation. It's a better way to have an official exchange as well. Isn't it great? Express your feelings more freely by using OMail's unique features. So what are you waiting for? Join ONPASSIVE ecosystem by visiting onpassive.com. Register for free and enjoy all OMail features.